it's Miss Kelly at the Mifflin County Library. I'm back here today to do another craft from your snowman take and make bag. Today we're going to make a cute little winter hat. For the hat, you're going to need some scissors. You need to find an empty, cleaned toilet paper tubey from home or a paper towel tubey. Doesn't matter because we're going to cut it apart. And then you need your bundle of yarn from inside your bag. So I have an empty roll of toilet paper tube. I'm going to use my scissors and I'm just going to cut off a chunk about an inch wide. So that's all you're going to do is cut the tube so you have a little ring. There it is. And that's going to be the base of your hat. So done with that stuff. Now I need to move on to my yarn. Your yarn's probably tied together with one string. So I'm just gonna open mine up. Just has a nice little knot there to hold it all together so it doesn't fly everywhere. You're gonna take all of your strings and you're gonna fold them in half. Take your tube, I'm gonna lay it right there on the outside, tuck it in, and in between that loop, and then pull. And you're going to do that all the way around the tube. Let me show you again. I'll get a white one this time. I'm going to fold it in half, lay it on the outside of my tube, tuck that loop up in there, pull the strings, and pull it tight. You're going to do that all the way around the tube until you get it all filled up. And then you'll take your very last string, lay your tube down, and then tie the ends into a bundle like I did on this one. Let me show you one more time. Take your string, fold it in half, and then put it through the tube to make your fringe. Might take a little bit of time, but it's going to be a super cute hat when you get all done. I hope you have fun with this because I think this hat's adorable. Then you can put a hook on it and hang it on your tree, or maybe you have a snowman that you can build and put it on top of. I hope you have fun making your hat. Bye everyone.